Hi everyone, welcome to Nature Moments with Gabe. I'm here with Canada's most famous animal, perhaps, besides the beaver. These ones are certainly very widespread. Not you, crows. Crows are great too, but these are Canada geese. You probably know that even though they're named after the country of Canada, Canada geese can be found in other parts of the world. Throughout the year they can be found across the United States, and particularly in the winter months, they migrate down to the southern United States, into Mexico and the Caribbean. They've also been introduced into Europe and New Zealand, and sometimes vagrants can be found in other parts of the world as well. Canada geese get a pretty bad rep here, particularly in Kitchener-Waterloo. They're very famous for being very aggressive and unfriendly around the university campus, but other places too. That's because they're very good parents, and they are very protective of their nests. But also sometimes they're jerks. But like any animal, some individuals are just, a little less patient than others. Individuals will vary in any species. But Canada geese, even though they're an animal you probably see every day, are really interesting animals. And they're actually, I think, very, very beautiful animals too. But we're seeing some very interesting behavior out of this group here. You'll notice they're very happy grazing on the lawn. Geese, in spite of being part of the larger group of birds that are waterfowl, like swans and ducks, really do most of their feeding on the land. All species of geese this is true for. They will eat some aquatic plants, but grasses, and these guys seem to have a really good taste for dandelions. And so other forbs are their diet. So they are herbivores, and talk about how they're ruining lawns and golf courses and things like that with all their feces, but they're doing us a really important service by helping recycle nutrients across vast swaths of lawn that we like in our living spaces, because we have also eliminated, for the most part, deer and most of the rabbits and other things that would be doing that otherwise. It's funny noticing, just like the mallard duck, when some of these guys are taking a nap here on the lawn too, they'll close their eyes, and their eyes are a totally different color than the rest of their feathers. They have this white eyelid. I suspect they have multiple eyelids. Most birds have multiple different eyelids. It's like when they're going to sleep, they'll close the white eyelid there. And they're doing something interesting with their tongues, we've noticed quite a bit too. And I'm not sure if that's panting, because it's a pretty warm day today. It said it was supposed to get up to 27 Celsius in the shade. Birds can't sweat like we can, so they might be panting just to stay cool. But there might be other things going on there too. It's important for us to appreciate the animals we see every day. So remember to look for joy and wonder wherever you are today, and whatever's around you, whether you have high opinions of the animals or not. We'll see you next time.